Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani. Today's topic of discussion is MVC and their architecture in Spring Boot. So, the MVC is the very important concept for the Spring, and in the Spring we are using the programs, and by using that it becomes very easy to do the programs. So, the MVC architecture is the very basic architecture of the web platform or web development. So the model that MVC, that meaning is model, view and controller. These are the basic pillars of the Spring Boot. So let's understand what actually this MVC framework is. So this MVC is the dispatcher servlet, and the request is sent to the dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet is having a very great importance in that. So first of all, the model. The model contains the data of the application, and a data can be single object or collection of objects. Now the controller. Controller contains the business logic of the application, and here @controller is used to mark the class as the controller. So in the Spring framework we are using the annotations to make the make the software easy to understand what actually we want to provide. So that is for that we are providing the annotations for that. Next is the view. View represent the provided information in a particular format. View, as we know that from the name itself indicating that view, that means what we are seeing actually on the web page. So this view is represent the information to the particular format, and generally the JSP plus JSTL is used to create the view page. Although this Spring support other technologies such as Apache Velocity, Hermeleaf and FreeMarker. So these are the view technologies: Apache Velocity, Hermeleaf and FreeMarker. These are the very important technologies for the view. The main pillars of this MVC architecture are model, controller and view. The one concept is also there, front controller. In Spring Web MVC, the dispatcher servlet class work as the front controller. The dispatcher servlet class is the very important, as a request is sent to this dispatcher servlet, and this act as a front controller for that. It is responsible to manage the flow of the Spring MVC application. That's it. Thank you.